and gentlemen, thank you all for being present today. This is a very special moment for all of us at the Level 1 team. My name is Jonathan Loi, as announced, and I'm the CEO and founder of Level 1 Technologies. There has been very great interest in the Level 1 platform, and we host this event to get more people acquainted with what we are doing. So, a brief history on the platform and how it began. In early 2017, we were actually developing a peer-to-peer platform to allow traders worldwide to trade contracts, derivative contracts, and to allow other people to match against those contracts. Now, at that time, we were actually developing an escrow system to be integrated into the platform architecture. So, as you know, in peer-to-peer transactions, there is always the issue of who goes first during a trading transaction. Now, during an exchange, right, let's say apples for oranges, who goes first? Do I send you my digital oranges first, or do you send me your digital apples first? Hence, the need for an escrow system. Now, this system was intended to solve an issue in peer-to-peer transactions, which is a trust issue. Okay. So what is the definition of trust in this aspect? In history, people need a third-party trust to be able to conduct transactions, especially over an information digital medium like the internet. There's a lot of definition in Wikipedia, on the internet, on trust, but I think the definition of trust in this context would be an empowerment provided to an individual or organization to act on your behalf towards an intended outcome or expectation. So this is what I share with you, my definition of trust. Now, there are a lot of examples of trust monetization in the industry. For example, the largest companies in the world are actually built on the monetization of trust. I would say the retail industry, you have companies like Amazon, Alibaba, and other companies starting with A. And if you look at it from that kind of perspective, it's a huge, huge industry. These are companies where their core activities, their core monetization activities are built on trust. They serve as the trusted intermediary between you and your iPhone case, for instance. Huge industry. In the financial industry, it's no different. You have brokers which you trust to perform on your favor, in your behalf. So trust is actually an aspect which definitely a lot of companies build their services and reputation on. Is there an abuse of position and power in trusted intermediaries? Well, I would say yes, there is, because even throughout history, in financial history, you can see everywhere in the news, in reports, there are fines on financial institutions for negligence, for manipulation. So I think it's a perspective of as long as there's human in emotion, in the interaction, there would be an element of risk there. Moving back slightly to our escrow system that we developed, in the early 2017, there was a massive interest in cryptocurrencies as a store of value, as a new asset class, as a medium of exchange. So we decided that it is actually very feasible and very viable to utilize blockchain technology into our system, to be integrated into our system as a fully authenticatable solution for people, which is totally transparent. Now this will make people, the traders, feel safe and secure, knowing that everything is transparent on the blockchain. So how does the system work? How does the Level 1 system work? A generic trade on the system works like this. In a simplified, abbreviated version, a smart contract on the blockchain actually takes two parties, the information from two trading parties, and secures it on the blockchain. It also secures our digitized token as a store of value. The LVX token is also secured in a smart contract. There is a stream of data source which the smart contract is able to verify the timestamp and the maturity on the contract. Therefore, it is able to release to the profiting trader upon contract maturity. Now, this happens on the Level 1 platform, and the trader's assets are secure. The full rules and regulations, the full rules of the transaction are transparent on the blockchain. Pricing on the contract settlement. How do we utilize Thomson Reuters data? We utilize the data in two ways. We utilize the data for contract settlement. So it is actually the market industry data, and we also use it for our AI algorithms. Our AI algorithms actually use this data and derive the data into an aspect where we can derive fair pricing for all the traders to utilize. When you talk about this, how we intend to create value for society and all the traders, we're creating value in three ways. We have instant settlement on our platform. All the traders' funds and assets are secure, and we have fair market pricing. So it is actually a very free economy, very flowing economy, market pricing for people to interact, and they get the best quotes to be able to quote on their contracts. So this is what the Level 1 platform is doing. This is what we are doing. We want to build a worldwide technology platform for people to trade peer-to-peer and to be safe and secure. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.